Hello, guys. Good evening and welcome back to our channel Tech with Sachin Pal. And today I am going to create my fourth vlog of 100 Day Challenge. So, today I am just on my village forest side. Here you are able to see there are so many trees are there, and this is forest which is nearest to my home. And today I want to give a message to our co-learners who really want to improve their spoken English. So yeah, if you want to achieve fluency in spoken English or it may be anything. So you need to put some continuous efforts on it, and if you want to achieve anything in your life, then you need to make some roadmap for it. Like I am going to follow these particular step in order to achieve mastery on anything. And after creating or finding a roadmap for our goal, then we need to put some continuous efforts on that. And also we need to make some discipline. Like I'm going to do that particular practice. Situation is whatever. Instead of focusing on situation, we are going to take some continuous action in order to achieve mastery or fluency. Like for example, if you want to become a fluent speaker in spoken English, then you need to practice spoken English on daily basis, and also you need to create some roadmap for that. Because if you want to achieve fluency or growth in your life, then you need to be continuous and also need to have some patience, because no one is able to become successful in a night or overnight. Success takes time. If you want to become success, then you need to give some time to it. Because if anyone becomes successful, then everyone focusing on their success. No one is focusing on their hard work, like how much time that particular success takes. No one is able to become successful overnight. And yeah, like nowadays, if you talk about our society, everyone want to get a good job, and they are also wants a good amount of money from that particular job, but they are not want to take some continuous action or efforts to get a good job. So but if you want to get a good job, then you need to learn some skill set whatever required to do a particular job. Like if you want to become a software developer, then you must need to learn the skill set whatever required to do a job as a software developer. And there is one quote is very famous: practice makes man perfect. If you want to become perfect, then you must need to do some practice for that. Otherwise your dream is only dream, it's not able to fulfill. If you really want to fulfill your dream, then you must need to put some continuous efforts on that. So I'm just taking fresh air and breath in my village forest area. There are so many trees, like it's neem tree, and it's have very good herbal products, and its bubble trees are also there. And you can able to see, you are not able to understand, I think. This tree, this is desi dates or little dates. It's a fruit which is similar to dates, but in size it is small. And yeah, these are the grasses in my village. And you are able to see in behind me, these are the bamboo tree. These are the bamboo tree. And I'm going to create a complete tour of my village forest today. So I'm just walking and creating a vlog, because I'm also want to achieve a fluency on spoken English. That's why I'm practicing spoken English again and again to achieve fluency or mastery over spoken English. And apart from this, I'm doing some other activities also, like shadowing practice, and spoke with co-learners over some virtual application like PeerUp and Episoden. And yeah, I'm also thinking like I'm going to create a vlog video on daily basis for minimum 5 or 4 minutes. So yeah, you can see this is bamboo tree, and there are so many bamboos are growing. You can see over here and there. So this is such a beautiful nature is there. So yeah, I'm living in the touch of nature, and you are able to see here, you are able to take a natural breath. And yeah, here is you are able to see like fresh air and everything. And yeah, it's afternoon time, and I'm just came here to create a vlog, because here you are able to find some peace and calmness instead of our home or house. In behind of me there are one of the crops you are able to see. This is mustard crop, and it is flowering nowadays. It's have a beautiful view you are able to see behind me. I'm going to show it clearly to you guys. And yeah, it's a beautiful environment we have here. If you want, I can go inside the mustard crop and make a video of mustard. And yeah, if you really find my content helpful, then please hit like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions, like if I have done any mistake, then please let me know in comments. And if you have any suggestion, like if you want a particular if you want a video on any particular topic, then please drop a comment for that also. So goodbye, take care, have a great day ahead, and stay healthy and wealthy.